JBC presents the CDN, a high-precision soldering station. Designed for the highest precision jobs in any micro-soldering application. With the essential features of sleep and hibernation modes. Includes the MD115 tool, the most precise tool in the JBC product range. We have redesigned the cartridge exchanger module for a better reliability when changing the small cartridges. And uses the C115 cartridge range. That offer a maximum control working under the microscope. Finally, end your joints, leaving your cartridge tip clean with the integrated cleaning system. For more information, you can visit our web, jbctools.com.